Your angelic guardians want you to hear this message in detail. They wanted you to know that they would like to speed up the process by which your dreams come true. So keep moving forward and unite your thoughts, heart, wisdom, and energy in order to deepen your knowledge of and love for the people and things in your surroundings. Believe that whatever you're praying for in the stars is a sign from God that they have heard your prayers. Your angels and the God of the universe are collaborating behind the scenes to ensure that your efforts will be effective and lead to a fulfilling life. Your ancestors are also sending you love and good vibes from the higher realm, telling you to put your faith in the Almighty and trust that everything will turn out the way you want it to. The divine has also been working in your favor and has granted you the strength to use it on the path you have chosen, letting you to walk with confidence, knowing that you're being protected by greater beings. Now is the time to reorient your faith toward God and to consider the heavenly kingdom. Stop looking outside of yourself for the kingdom of heaven. It is already within you. You hold the key to the kingdom of heaven, so stop looking elsewhere. When you sincerely pray from the bottom of your heart, good deeds must follow. Instead of wasting your energy on absurd or unimportant things that have no value, concentrate on yourself and the good things in it. Ask God, and He will give you more than you could possibly ask for. Recall how God has treated you in the past and His faithfulness to you. Never belittle how subtle everything is at first. Regardless of the circumstance you are in, never give up hope. The end of the tunnel will eventually become visible if you just continue pushing and fight back. Pick your battles carefully. You weren't meant to fight in all battles. Enforce your faith only by sharing the good news of God's grace.